Samba Onel, the new Kotoko defender, was your bo at Sergio Ramos. Nemra or Chire, our field, no so ball, winning or bo to Sergio Ramos. Yes, Sergio Ramos and that screen. So then, ni bo nina na kwese Sergio Ramos star nibi. Na ye bomb pie say overconfidence, Emma nenkofa problem, Emma. Because a saying a Kotoko be kora feed ya, I tell you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko a great team or she already couldn't say another centre back asaba ye friend Joseph Agbo wa Johnny Kumasi Asante Kotoko until likely say on a brandy ebe pe na chire ho o mabo na say you know senior citizens or more when streets there's be a amount for say Nuruddin ote tamale say Kotoko or yene nursing there ontena ho mane mabio because Samba Onel enya de a Nuruddin oba be to the kind of baller abranti eboma Kotoko no amanfo hu ne say wa be to no cra free ho completely enya de oba be etimi abebo ahead of sa new defender Kotoko enya because unya ball na utimi say o progress or work ball no to the midfield and you say bim and I was say solid we chiro kiko na oda ho ye mompa man say e be koso say afa man na overconfidence defenders overconfidence sometimes and I say o game no across of defender no Kevin or say SB no say overconfidence in yeah no why mistake no why mistake the second Kumasi Asante Kotoko go and I'm no so and I uche J ball na o place ma Peter Midu Akwa and a Peter Midu Akwa enya go no ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, now celebrations no and a uhun screen no so na Bernard Somwa, yes, the youngster of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and now the trophy they died the uko Europe ya eta koso no. And now also a bima manope sorry no trophy no we twa no photo and now on any damp you notice a virgin cap. Yes, that's on the screen into hotel or modai no and no pay on a virgin cap no a damp ma where you funi kama oh yes. Let's take note say Kumasi Asante Kotoko asha crowds of 3 on the row in November 2023 Ghana Premier League ewo Kumasi and nanu ya me second leg no Mukwala ball hat-trick na Kotoko asa show mutu and let's say na say the Kotoko dominance over Hearts no ewo so but me bomb pass Hearts for no be fine o mu fit no ma because o more former e Ghana Premier League no de omunjai infrastructure no more invest in players even though say infrastructure here but they should do the needful and invest in players buy quality players to match Kumasi Asante Kotoko.